keyless crates?
Keemstar's cancer.
Okay, cool. Hope you get unusual.
If I had 500 credit, I would be able to no clip into the.
All right. I'm holding the super luck spiral in the sunlight. It's gonna give you luck. All right, go ahead. Quick spiral. Oh. What? Don't you have an unusual of that?
For a second, I thought I jumped
Or is that no? Oh, what the hell? You keep on.
I don't have enough credit to do those.
I'ma just check your inventory to see what you got. You could tell me, but I don't know what it looks like. What?
64.
Oh, what you traded from? Chocolates. Unusual. I mean, what do you expect? This keyless crate, you have better chance in like. Oh, if you open one of those Halloween crates here, you get a double chance of getting unusual.
Yes, it is Turbin. Oh god, it is Turbin. All my Turbin Viking is over there. I killed all my Turbin Viking.
Using my lucky sandwich all I can.
Must use my cleavers.
Plus, unusual. I mean,
2 credits, and then you get some. It's exclamation point credits.
Cookie dough.
So I tried.
yeah, me too.
Okay, so
Hopefully you get something good.
While I had HTML messages that they disabled and of course told me to go next.
Ah!
So I did, and then I had exclamation point credits again, and now it's telling me that I have to wait, even though I didn't watch a message of the day in the first place.
It's not gonna give you anything good. It's gonna give you like an ambassador.
Nothing